Joining a WebEx meeting requires a meeting link, which should be sent to you prior to your event. Click on the link to open the meeting page. Enter your first name, last name, and email address, then click the Join button. When the WebEx meeting has loaded, you will be prompted to connect your audio and video. For audio, select Call using Computer, then use the drop-down menus to confirm you are using the correct speakers and microphone. You can click the More Options button to open a pop-up window where you can do an audio test. Testing 1, 2. Confirm you see your video in the preview window, then click the Connect Audio and Video button. You should now be able to see and hear everyone else in the meeting. If you join the meeting before the host, you will see a pop-up notice and will have to connect your audio and video after the host connects. When the host joins the meeting, a pop-up window will appear for you to connect your audio. Click on Call using Computer to connect. To start sharing video, click on the camera icon, then confirm you have the correct webcam selected and are able to see yourself in the preview window, then click Start My Video. If you need to change your audio settings during the meeting, click the Audio tab at the top of the window or the top of the screen if using an Apple device, then select Audio and Video Connection. On the window that opens, click Change Settings. From here, you can change your selected devices as well as adjust your speaker and microphone volume. Click OK to confirm and reconnect your audio to the meeting.